Hello guys, welcome back. So today's video is about unboxing my new Bobo bike phone holder. So let's quickly get a 360-degree view of what we'll be unboxing today. Okay, so let's quickly get started. So we have this beautiful Bobo branding on the box. Okay, it is a red color. As we unbox, we have this phone holder manual. So you have some installation diagrams, how you need to go ahead and install on your bike, and some instructions. So in the box we have the actual phone holder unit. So because I had purchased the red color, so it seems to have some red side holders. This is a wired one, so you will also get a non-wired version. So this will help you in charging. As you can see here, you have a USB socket. So all the wired ones, you will be able to connect your power banks or any other devices using this particular USB socket. And then you have a waterproof on and off button to control the power, so you can charge your devices while you're riding without stopping somewhere. So this is a 1.5 meter wire which you can connect along with your bike, and once you attach it to the handlebar, I think it should be ready for use. And this is the screw which you can use to increase or decrease the width, the compression, where you can just fit your phone. Let me quickly grab my phone. I can show you a quick demo how it fits. So just keep unscrewing till the time your phone fits perfectly inside. Once it's inside, make sure your phone fits perfectly around the curves, and then just tighten it back. Okay, so once it's fit, this is how it will stay on your bike once you have everything installed on your handlebar. So let me quickly unscrew this. So this is how, again, a quick review of the Bobo bike holder. Let's see what are the accessories we have in the box. So here we have an Allen key box. So this is the mount which you will use for the handlebar. Then you have a small Allen key which you can use to twist and turn the screws while mounting the phone holder. Okay, then you have just one extra spare of fuse in case due to some circuit or voltage related issues the fuse gets damaged. You can use another spare fuse. So I guess this is it. Pretty simple, not much accessories. Let me know if you guys want me to create another video, and yep, until next time, thank you guys.